welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to remove Instagram search suggestions when typing. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Instagram app. So once you open it, all you need to do now is simply tap on the search icon on the top of the screen. So simply tap on the search option and then you can find different search histories right over there. So now to cancel it, you need to simply tap on the cross-like icon right besides the search options. So once you tap on the cross options, all the suggestions will now be removed from your Instagram search history. So even if you type something, that particular option will not be shown as you have already crossed it out. So by following this simple and easy steps, you can remove the Instagram search suggestions when you are typing on your search bar. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. We will be back soon.